Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 16 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1323, maximum 69 number. So let's read the problem statement. You are given a positive integer num consisting only of digits 6 and 9. We have to return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit. 6 becomes 9 and 9 becomes 6, right? We have to return the maximum number right here. So here if you see example number 1, num is 9669. All right, so here this 6 is the first occurrence of this particular 6, right? In this number, this is the first occurrence of 6 right here at this position. So if I change this to 9, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 9969, right? So this is going to be the max one, right? We have to return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit only, right? So to get the max digit, it's good now if I just change the 6 here to 9, right? If I check from this side, the first occurrence of 6 is here. I'm just going to change it to 9. That's it, right? Here see example number 2, 9996. This is the first occurrence of 6, right? If I change it to 9, I'm going to get 9 here. So total 9999, right? That's it. Here example number 3, all digits are 9. There is no occurrence of 6. Return the same number, right? And here if you see the constants, num is from 1 to 10 to the power 4 and num consists of only 6 and 9 digits. This problem is actually very easy, right? Because we need to return the max number, right? So definitely this doesn't make any sense. 9 becomes 6. Why do we need to make any 9 to 6? I don't need smaller number, I need max number. Okay, and when I'm going to get the max number? When my 6 is going to become 9, right? And now which 6 is going to become 9? The first 6 which is occurring if I traverse from here to here, right? From left to right, the first occurrence of 6, I just need to change it to 9, right? And here if you see constants, num is from 1 to 10 to the power, right? All the positive integers are there, right? So very simple. So let's write the code. Only 3 lines of code I will write for this one. So first I'm going to change it to string s is equal to, here I'm just going to write string dot value of num. Okay, I change this particular number to a string, right? Now I'm going to replace the first position of first position where my 6 occurs with 9, right? So here s is equal to, I'm just going to use the function, okay, replace, and here first, replace first, and here what I need to replace? I need to replace 6, okay, first occurrence of 6 with what? With 9. That's it. Okay, this is what I need to do, right? And in the end, I have to return type as int, so I have to return integer here. So I'm just going to write integer dot parse int, and here I'm just going to pass s. That's it. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. All the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.